Hello mathematicians, we're learning about circumference and diameter and thus we'll find area of a circle, but I wanted to do a quick reminder for area of a 2D plane figure, P-L-A-N-E. You probably know this, but just in case you don't, length times width defines the area or helps us find the area of any quadrilateral like this. So in this case, we have a square that is 4 centimeter blocks, 4 centimeter blocks long and 4 wide. So basically, this is very simple. 4 times 4 equals 16 square centimeters. That's super important. You cannot forget to add the unit of measure. And they're square centimeters because it counts the area on the interior of the square, the inside part. Perimeter is the distance from this starting point all the way around back to starting point. Length plus width plus length plus width. And in this case, as a square, it's the same. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. So we can say that it's 16 centimeters, but it's not square centimeters that we're going to define this as. It's distance around, all the way around. You could lay it out on a line and get 16 centimeters if you want to look at it that way. Now, the rectangle is slightly different in that we have just a longer length. So we have two different lengths and we have a length and a width that are different. So in this case, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4. And there it is, 6 times 4 is equal to 24 square centimeters. And our perimeter then will be the length plus the width plus the length plus the width. So really, quite simply, you can count 6 plus 4 is 10 and double it, and then you would have 20 centimeters. So that is a quick short review of length and area and perimeter for these 2D figures. We're going to talk about pi, and I'm going to have you watch Math Antics video here, and then a history of pi, which is really fascinating. It has been around for somewhere near 4,000 years as an idea, as a concept.